welcome to AlphaCars and Royal Enfield, Boston. My name is Dimitri, and today I'm going to show you, this is Himalayan. We're doing first service, and there's always a question, so what's going on when you do the first service? We're not going to get into the entire segment of the first service, but this is just to show you what takes place with the valve clearance adjustment. How do you access that? And on this particular bike, you can see we took the gas tank off. Also, the reason I selected this bike for this little video, it has some cool military boxes attached to the brackets, and it actually looks pretty cool. So as far as the valve clearance adjustment, you do need to remove these little, what we call access covers. You don't need to remove the entire valve cover, so that gasket stays intact. You do remove access covers. They're right here. There is a reusable seal, so you don't have to replace that unless you see something wrong with it, or it's dried up or cracked or some other concerns. And then once you remove it, you have easy access to the rocker arm and to the valve clearance adjustment point, which is right here. And when you do that, it's best to remove the spark plug so you can easily rotate the engine, because you do need to rotate it to free up the cam so that the lube of the camshaft is away from the rocker arm, and that's where you catch the clearance you need to adjust. So just a short video. We hope you enjoyed it. And if you decide that you want to do your own service, it's definitely doable, and you can get all the parts online on our e-store. So check out the link below and let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Dimitri, and until next time.